In this lesson, we're going to look at how to work out the equation of circles in slightly more complicated examples. So this equation, or this question here, a circle with centre Q has equation x minus 5 squared plus y minus 8 squared equals 9. We can see here PQR is a diameter, and it's parallel to the y-axis, it's straight up and down, it's vertical, PQR. The circles with centre P and R touch the circle with centre Q at R and P respectively. Find the equation of the larger circles. Now to do that, what we need is the radius of the larger circles, and we need the centre point. So let's look at what information we've got already and how we can use that to determine the centre point of circle P and R and the radius of the larger circles. So if we concentrate on the white circle just now, then the centre point is going to be 5, 8 from the equation here, and the radius is the square root of 9, which is 3. So this radius here of the small white circle is 3, which means that the radius of the bigger circle, which is this part here, is going to be double 3, which is going to be 6. So the radius of the larger circle is 6, that's quite easy to calculate. The next thing we have to deal with is how to get the centre point. So we'll concentrate on this coordinate P. Now the centre here is 5, 8, this red dot here is at 5, 8. So P is 3 up from 5, 8, so that must be 5, 11. And R is 3 down from 5, 8, so that must be 5, 5. So the radius is basically added and subtracted from the y coordinate here, 3 up to get 11, 3 down to get 5. And we said the radius is 6. So the equation of P, using this centre point when the radius is 6, is x minus 5 squared plus y minus 11 squared equals 36, the radius squared. And this equation of R, using this centre point here, is x minus 5 squared plus y minus 5 squared equals 36. Okay, let's look at one more example here. In this sketch over here of a road roller, the diameter of the front wheel is half that of the rear wheel. The distance AB is 35 units, and we're told the equation of the rear wheel, this big red one, is x minus 12 squared plus y minus 13 squared equals 100. So find the equation of AB and the equation of the front wheel. So again, look at the information you've been given. We've been given the equation of the rear wheel. We can work out the centre point and the radius from that. So the centre point's at 12, 13 from the equation here, and the radius is square root 100, which is 10. So if this is 12, 13, if we're trying to find the equation of this straight line going across the way, if you try and imagine an x coordinate, an x-axis and a y-axis, sorry, like this, then what we have here is 12, 13 and a radius of 10. So this distance down is 10 down from 13, which means that this line here, AB, is going to cross at 10 down from 13 on the y-axis, which is y equals 3. That's going to be 3 there, straight across at 3. So that's the first bit solved, if you like. The equation of AB is y equals 3. That was 13, 10 down from 13 is 3, y equals 3. The second bit is to try and work out the equation of the green wheel, or the front wheel. And to do that, we need the equation, we need the centre point and the radius. It's always the same for a circle. We need the centre point and the radius. Now, we're told this distance here is 35. And we've already got this bit is 12, 13. I'll just type that in here. We're also told that the diameter of the front wheel was half that of the rear wheel. So the radius of this is 10, that means the radius of this has got to be 5. The other thing is we need to get the centre point. We've got the radius now, we need to get the centre point. So this is 12 along, 13 up. So to get how far along this is, it's really 12 plus 35 to get the x coordinate of this bit. So it's really that there plus 35. So this is going to be 47 something. That's what I've got down here, 47 something, and we've worked out that the radius is 5. Now, the last thing we have to do here really is just work out what the y value of this is. What is this bit here? Now, we already know that this line is y equals 3, and we know that the radius is 5. So this is 5 higher than 3, so it must be 8. 5 up from the line, y equals 3. So now that we've got the centre point 47,8, we've got the radius, we can get the equation. X minus 47 squared plus y minus 8 squared equals 25.